Friends, welcome to my channel Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. Today's topic is about how to set up Google Analytics customizable report. These customizable reports helps them to analyze the data in a proper way. In this digital marketing world, most of the companies and the individuals are using website for one or the other way to grow their business. If they implement this customizable report in their Google Analytics, they can track the data, they can analyze the data by using this customizable report, and it helps them to analyze the data of the present and the future. Today I will show you how to create and how to set up customizable report in Google Analytics. These customizable reports help the companies to take the decision for their future business. So let's go to my laptop screen and discuss in detail. So go to Google Analytics account. This is my Google Analytics account. Here you will see the complete details and insights of my website realgrowtech.xyz. This is GA4 Analytics account. It is showing the report of real-time analysis of new user and average engagement time, new user by traffic, channel group. So it is showing the different types of charts and analysis group by country, by session, by activity over time. Like this, if you want to customize your Google Analytics reports in different parameters, different insights, so you have to customize the report. I will show you how in my another Google Analytics account. This is my dummy Google Analytics account. I will show you how to create customized report based on your requirements. Here is the Google Analytics report. Here, go to the report. Click on this icon. Go to click on report. Here is 4 icons are available. Here you click on the pencil button, customize report. Click on this. After clicking this, now you are it is showing only real time and graph showing now total users and number of users graph. If you want to add extra insights into your Google Analytics account, in the right side of your account, click on add cards. See, there's a lot of options available to collect the data in different insights. You can select as per your requirements. Here I will select new user by channel group. View page title in screens. Next I will select user by gender, user by city, user by country. So according to your requirements, if you want to collect the data of your website online, so this helps a lot in taking the decision to improve your business by analyzing this type of reports. Like this, you can select anyone you want, user by platform and category. Click on this and click on add call. See, all the insights which we have selected is all already selected. Click on save button. After that, click on save changes to the current report. Click on save. Once you click on change, so it will show the data insights pages according to your selection. See, we have selected new user by first user default, views by page, views by gender, views by platform. Like this, so whatever I have made changes in my another Google Analytics account, the report showing. See, this is the new user, first user, based on the traffic, how the traffic is coming to my website. It's direct, organic video, organic social. Like this, how in which pages they are getting more views by country, by over time, by page views. Like this, if you customize your Google Analytics report, once it starts collecting the data, it will start showing the insights in your Google Analytics account. Because this is my dummy account, so I'm showing this only for the sake of your understanding.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching my video, Real Growth Tech Digital Marketing. I hope this customizable report in Google Analytics helps a lot in implementing in your business. Thanks a lot for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like to my channel. In future also I will bring same kind of video which will enhance your knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.